What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Are you videoing?
What's it look like?
Yeah, because you're in the 90, turn your camera 90 degrees.
Oh, break your knees. The video is awesome. I really liked it. But no, I'm doing the video vlogs.
You doing video vlogs again? $1
Do I get a typhoon?
You can not get a typhoon because they do not have typhoons any longer.
Burn the motherfucker to the ground then.
Hey, that's
What?
not nice.
I don't give a fuck. If they don't got typhoon, fuck Taco Bell.
It's like there's a girl staring at you.
I don't care. I'm talking to my phone and yelling at it now. Because I'm angry. What did they replace it with?
I think you just scared them.
I hope I
They
did.
replaced it with Dr. Pepper.
What kind of bullshit is
A
that? I mean,
vanilla Dr.
I
Pepper.
love Dr. Pepper, but
And it doesn't even work. It's been like not working.
then what the hell is the point to go to Taco Bell anymore? They don't got good freezies. I know I was just talking shit on Dr. Pepper, but I still got Dr. Pepper.
You just wish you had typhoon.
But yeah, that shit was bomb. You can't argue. Why would... You know what? Also, I want to make another statement about Taco Bell. Bring back... Huh? Bring back the Fertista freezes. Right? Will you agree with this?
Can we go paddleboarding?
Right now?
Sometimes. Be good exercise.
Very good. I would like to go paddle boarding too. It looks pretty fun.
I think it's $20 for the hour.
For paddle boat? Would you like to see that, folks? Us paddle boating. Hey, look. Is that Donald? The white one? Mm-hmm. What do you think of all these rich bastards?
Some of them work pretty hard for their money, and some of them get handed to them.
You like the Bridgewater Channel?
Better if I had food.
You better if I had some food. Take off your clothes. Twist your shirt around your head like a helicopter. Ew. Ew. Don't. See? See, this is how you do it. Watch. I'll show you how to do it.
Hold on, let me put this up.
I'll show everybody how you just be confident with yourself and it just works.
Or modesty works too.
Yeah. What now? Fuck modesty. Ain't gonna get you anywhere. Where is modesty gonna get you? No.
Hey!
You're pretty brave, buddy. You're pretty brave. You just dropped Moo off at her job, heading back to the apartment. I'll work on some things myself. I'll work on dinner. But she only works for 4 hours a day, so I'll have dinner ready for her when she gets off. Because I'm awesome like that. I'm going to get ran over. Jaywalking. Might get shot for it. You never know. I mean, we all know it's a possibility to get shot for jaywalking nowadays. Fucking good job, St. Louis. Good job.